How to create project in Google AI Studio. Creating a project in Google AI Studio involves using natural language prompt to generate functions, prototypes, or setting up cloud integrated environment for development as well. Now, building models or building mods allow you to go for a simple idea to function app prototypes using vibe coding. Describe what you want in a plain English. You want to first thing first access ai.aistudio.google.com, and here you just want to go ahead and click on the build tab or build app section. You then need to simply go ahead and in the chat box enter a detailed prompt of what you want to build. Example, building a motivational quote generations, or if you want to build an app itself. So you just want to go ahead and type in or just click onto the field where it says describe your idea, and I'm just gonna go ahead and type in the prompt like and click on the build button. As you click onto the build button in the chat box, you just need to once you've done entered the information, you can click on preview, right? And this way you'll be able to generate the project in Google AI Studio. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.